Hi everyone, I'm just about to start my workout for today. This workout is split up into 3 parts. For part 1, you will not need any equipment whatsoever. We're just doing a short little combo and I will show that to you before we begin. Part 2 is just jump rope. So if you do not have a jump rope or you can't jump rope where you live for whatever reason, then you can either skip the jump rope section or you can do some other type of cardio exercise while I'm doing jump rope. For part 3, I am using one 10-pound dumbbell. You may need something lighter or heavier. That depends on your strength and on your level of fitness, so please make the decision that is best for you. If you do not have a dumbbell, most likely you can find some type of household item that will work, like a water bottle or a jug of laundry detergent. Of course, if you have a kettlebell, that would work great as well. I'll show you that exercise first, just so that I can move through my workout without pausing to demonstrate and explain exercises as we're going. So here is what I'm doing. This is for part 3. I am going to start holding my dumbbell in one hand in front of the leg on the same side as the arm that I'm holding my dumbbell. All right, that sounded so much more complicated than it is. The other leg, I'm going to pick up this foot, plant this standing leg into the ground. We're going to do a one-leg deadlift. So I'm just gonna have this free hand behind me just to kind of keep it out of the way. So make sure your shoulders are back and down away from your ears. The chest is lifted high, your core is nice and strong, tight and engaged. The weight is in the heel of the standing foot. Really push, actively push that foot of your standing leg into the ground. We're gonna hinge at the hips, bend the knee in your standing leg as much as you need to. Make sure it's nice and soft. Make sure your back is straight. And you're just gonna lower the weight in front of you like this. Now again, actively pressing the foot of that standing leg into the ground as you hinge back up, reversing the movement. Now on the way up, I'm gonna bring this knee up in front of me. I'm gonna take my dumbbell and pass it underneath my knee so that I'm holding it in the other hand now. This foot comes down. Now this hand is in front of me and we're going to alternate sides. So now my free hand is out of the way here on my back. It really doesn't matter what you do with it, but I'm gonna have mine here. Now lift the other foot and same thing. Hinging at the hips. Taking a second to plant that foot will help you with your balance. Hinging at the hips, you're gonna do a deadlift, a one-leg deadlift. Reverse the movement, stand, bring the knee up, pass the dumbbell, okay? And then just keep going, alternating sides. So that's the exercise we're doing for part 3. Part 2 is just jump rope, and part 1 is just this teeny tiny little combo. It's gonna be a push up and then a duck under with a side kick. Okay, so I'm gonna start to one side of my exercise space. Come down, put my hands in on the front of me. You can step the feet back if you want. I'm going to jump back with my feet, do a push up. And now again, I'm going to jump my feet back in. You can step them in if you need to, that's fine. Stand. Now I'm gonna do a duck under. So imagining that there's an obstacle here and I need to duck under it. Bend the knees, and again, weight is in the heels. Push that booty back like you're trying to touch the wall behind you with your booty. Always, your shoulders are back and down. Pinch those shoulder blades together. Keep your chest high. Core is nice and tight and engaged. Pushing that booty back so the weight stays in the heel. Now you're gonna take this leg and step as wide as you can, and you're going to duck as low as you can underneath your imaginary obstacle, okay? So duck under, and then from here, you're gonna kick back the way you just came. So I'm going to take this inside leg now, bring the knee up, and then kick with power, bring the knee back, put the foot down. That's 1 rep, okay? So a little faster, we're gonna alternate sides. We're gonna be going back and forth. So push up, kick the feet back in, duck under, side kick, okay? That's the little baby combo. So the format is very simple. We're gonna do 50 sets of that little combo. Then we'll move on to jump rope. I'm going to do 1,000 revolutions of the rope. I'm going to be doing sets of 100. So I'll do 10 sets of 100, and then we'll move on to part 3, which is going to be 50 reps of our one leg deadlift. Okay, that's it. That's the workout. So if you have a dumbbell or a kettlebell or some other type of weight you would like to use, go ahead and grab that. If you're going to jump rope with me, grab your jump rope. Take a minute to make sure that you're good and warmed up, and when you're ready, let's go. Timer's going, here we go. That's 10. That's 20 for me. So I need to do 3 more sets of 10. Just need a little rest break. When you're ready, let's get started on our next set of 10. Here we go. So obviously I'm just breaking these up into little sets of 10 to make it more manageable for myself. So I have 2 more sets of 10 to go. I'm trying to keep my rest breaks short. Let's go ahead and get started on our next set of 10. Okay, so that was 40. We're almost done with these. Just one more set of 10 to go. All right, that's 50, and that's part 1. So now, for part 2, I'm doing sets of 100, meaning 100 revolutions of the jump rope. Any style of jump rope you want is fine. We're doing 10 sets of 100, okay? So, count like this. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and that's 100. That's one set. I'm gonna mark a little slash just so that I know I don't lose track of where I am. It's easy to keep track for the first few steps, but then somewhere in there it gets confusing, for me anyway. All right, next set of 100. few more than 100 because I tripped on rep like 86. So I picked up my count again at 80. Trip, just pick it back up where you left off. You don't have to bump yourself back like I do. I just like round numbers, so that's why I do that, I guess. Go at your own pace. If you need a longer rest in between sets, take as long as you need. Keep it as short as you can, but take as long as you need. Set number 5 for me. So I'm halfway done. Just 5 more sets to go. Three more sets for me. That was set number 8. Just 2 more. set number 10. And with that, we are finished with part 2. Just one exercise left. And that's our one leg deadlift. So, I don't know if I mentioned that we're doing 50 reps of these as well, okay? So, I'm gonna do my best to not wobble and have a lot of balance checks, but if you need to check your balance, it's okay. Do your best, here we go. That's 10. Again, if you need to, you should be going at your own pace. That's 12 for me. So if you need to take a break, catch your breath, and like break these up into sets of 10 like I was doing with the burpees, that's fine. That's 14. That's 20 for me. We're getting there. Three. 24. 25. Halfway done. Not too bad, huh? Six. 27. 28. 29. 30. 30. That's 40, I have just 10 more to go. I lost my balance. There's just 2 reps left, so I'm gonna get them all of good quality. So that's 49. Last one. That's 50. That's part 3, and that's the workout. We are not quite finished yet. You know that no workout of mine is ever complete until we have done our bonus burpee. So we have just 1 rep left. However, when I do a jump rope workout, grab jump rope mat. In addition to my bonus burpee, I also like to do a little bonus set of 100 skips. So if you would like to join me for a little bonus set of 100 skips, we're just counting 100 revolutions of the rope. Totally optional. The burpee is mandatory, but the skipping is optional. So if you want to join me, we're just going to count to 100 real quick. Ready? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, and that is 100. And that's our little bonus set of 100 skips. Now we just have to do our bonus burpee and the workout is officially complete. So final wrap of the day, let's do our bonus burpee together. So that was a pretty short workout. The whole thing only took me 24 minutes and 19 seconds. I think the next time I do this workout, I'm gonna repeat the whole thing one more time because I feel like it wasn't quite enough for me. I think maybe today it's enough, but I have a feeling the next time I do it, I'm gonna want more. So I think this would be a really good workout to do 2 rounds of. But for today, I'm good with 1 round. If you wanna repeat it, just repeat the whole thing, that's fine. It's your workout, so you modify it, make whatever changes you need to, do what you need to do to make it work for you. And as always, if anything was unclear, if I did not sufficiently explain or demonstrate the exercises, if you have questions about the format, if you need to see beginner modifications or equipment-free substitutions, please just ask. I am right here every day, and I am always more than happy to help in any way I can to make the workouts accessible to anyone and everyone who wants to try them. So if you need help with modifications or substitutions, or if you have any questions, please just ask. If you did this workout with me today, thank you very much. Please let me know what you thought of it and how you did, and a very special and heartfelt thank you to everyone who has been subscribing to my channel as of late, watching the videos, liking and sharing them, commenting on them, and especially to those of you who have been commenting with the secret code phrase of the day. Today's secret code phrase of the day is, would you like to sniff the cap? So if you are still watching this video, please let me know that you are still watching by going down to the comment section and leaving me a comment that says, would you like to sniff the cap? That is going to do it for today, and I will see you all next time. Bye.